Hello everyone. Today I crafted an interactive The Economics of Happiness dashboard on Power BI using Economics of Happiness dataset which I downloaded from Kaggle. This dataset is a simple dataset that is used for Shapley analysis to predict the happiness score for 156 countries on data from 2015 to 2019 using following factors: GDP per capita, social support, healthy life expectancy, freedom, generosity, and year. In this dashboard, the key insights include GDP per capita income and happiness score, healthy life expectancy by happiness score, freedom and happiness score, top 10 sad countries in year, global happiness in year, top 10 happy countries in year, and a slicer to filter based on year. Here I used dynamic titles. Here you can see top 10 sad countries in 2015, top 10 happy countries in 2015. If I click on 2016, it will change top 10 sad countries in 2015. If I click on 2019, for top 10 sad countries in year and top 10 happy countries, I use Streamap and Gauge for global happiness in year, Scattershot for GDP per capita and happiness score, healthy life expectancy by happiness score, freedom and happiness score. That's all about my dashboard. Thank you.